Hi friends, myself I'm Sant Kumar from EC department. Today we are discussing about digital communication system. This is the block diagram of digital communication system. Here we are seeing different blocks which converts the information from analog to digital or digital to analog. The information source which receives the information with the help of so many receivers like transmitter, antennas, earth stations, radars, computers, and data modems and cables. If the information is analog, that will be converted is in the form of analog to digital. If the information is digital information, that will be directly converted to passing through the next stage. So the converted information passing through the coaxial cable or loop or channel through the source encoder and channel encoder. Source encoder and channel encoder will identify the unnecessary errors, and then that will be detected or ignored or are eliminated, and then after purified converted signals will passing through the modulator. Modulator gives modulating the signal. That means the input signal is either high frequency signal or low frequency signal or medium signal or little bit signal, little low frequency signal. We don't know. So, but by using modulator, it will give some additional frequency, or it will add some additional frequency, or it will provide some additional extra frequency to balancing the signals, or it will adjusting the signal levels, and then after it will be passing through the channel through demodulator. It will performing reverse operation of modulator, and then after signal will passing through the channel and decoder and source decoder. Again source decoder and channel decoder will recorrect or re-identifying the if any error will be added in the process of conversions. If no error will be added, that will be directly passing through the D by A converter. If any error will be added, that will be corrected, and then after it will passing through the next stage. D by A converter will perform reverse operation of A by D converter. So that means digital signal will be converted into analog signal, and then after final information will move through the information source or information link sync or destination. The upper parts indicates transmission section, lower parts indicates receiving section. So the overall concept of digital communication will be like acts as a data conversion system. Now we are using mobile phones, land phones. So mobile phones and land phones and other telecommunication devices. All devices internally adding some converters like a serial to parallel, parallel to serial, analog to digital, digital to encoding to decoder, decoding to encoding. So like this, these are the different converters. Internally, we are also using microphones and earphones. Microphones are convert the electrical signals into analog signals, and then it will propagates through the and microphones are converts the analog signals into electrical signals, and then after electrical signals are converted into voice signals by using earphones. So in this process the signal will be converted two ways, analog to digital and digital to analog. So these principles based on will be work digital communication system. So digital communication system is a major technology. In this we are using so many signals and so many conversions which will more help than technologies. So this is the brief information of digital communication. By using digital communication, so many advantages. We will sending information throughout world within a second, within the help of satellites, radars, antennas, data modems, like this. And also some disadvantages are there. In this, we are using high frequency bands at some situations frequency levels decreases, so that is the one of the drawback. Why? Because signal quality will be decreased. And the second one is in this process we are using so many electronic devices, so many electronic devices will be damaged. We can't find out where problem is occurred, so at the situation we can't difficult to find out the exact time. So both both are the two disadvantages, and otherwise there is no problem. Thank you.